I know everyone's gonna be like, girl, this is a wig. You should be comfortable with doing whatever to it, but this is a very expensive unit. I love the fact that it's blonde, but also it's virgin hair. It's sourced from one head. I can't believe I'm about to dye it blue. My name is Destiny Taylor, and I'm gonna get my hair transformed into Cardi B blue. Before I go through my hair transformation, don't forget to subscribe below. I'm a creative hustler from Indiana, living in sunny California. Growing up, I had 3 sisters and we always just did our own hair. I'm most nervous about trusting someone else with my hair. I had this horrible experience in high school where I actually bleached it and I colored it orange. After that color, my hair was this short. So I've been really indulging in just the privilege to be able to transform myself into whoever I want to be with wigs and extensions. I'm excited for this transformation for 2 reasons. 1, I love Cardi's first and second mixtape. Gangsta Bitch Volume 1 and 2 is my ish, but also just who she represents. She just popped out a baby. She's back on stage, back in the studio with blue hair. It represents my alter ego that I push to bring out every day. It's bold, it's energetic, and it's so vibrant and strong. I'm gonna feel that newness that I've been longing for.
My name is Daniel Moon, and I own Hair Salon in downtown Los Angeles. Hey,
hello, thank you.
Go on in.
Wow, this is such a cool space.
I'm always excited to work with a wig because the challenge is always to make it not look like a wig.
I'm just nervous with the bleach that it'll get over-processed. Again, I had that horrible situation with my natural hair, so I would hate for that to happen to this very expensive wig.
All right, I hear you want to go Cardi B blue.
Yes, yes,
That's my favorite blue right now, actually.
Yes, I just want to be bold and fearless like Cardi.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change it up for you. We're gonna open up your face a little bit more and lock in your eyes to keep it nice and flirty and sexy.
Nice. I've never had bangs before, so this should be interesting.
Well, get ready for it. Here we go.
I'm ready.
So I got 4 different shades for you. I like to give it a little bit of movement and contrast,
Nice.
so you have a lot of dimension in there. All right, Destiny, now that we got your blue base on, we're gonna get to the fun part with the 3 blues, and we're gonna get the electric magic in. During the process, I felt like I needed a little bit more pizzazz, a little bit more electricity, so I created my own custom blues, a Bowie blue, and then a Dodger blue for Los Angeles, baby. Voila.
I can't wait to see how it looks once it's dry.
Yeah, you think it looks good now, just wait.
I've never had my hair blue before. I'm hoping it really complements my melanin. This color is amazing.
Now that we're nice and dry, now we can get to the fun stuff.
Are we gonna do them like really thick and fringy, or are we doing something thinner?
Well, let's just say it's gonna be a surprise.
Oh God. Oh my God! I look like a little Barbie doll!
You do.
Oh my
Straight
God!
from the moon.
I love this so much! This hair, it makes me feel very sassy. A lot of spunk. What's so cool about black hair and the culture of it is just how prominent extensions and weaves are in it. We can transform my hair and become who we want at any moment, whenever.
I'm always excited to see a wig absorb the color exactly how we mixed it.
I haven't had anyone other than me put their hands in my head in like 8 years. And Daniel did an amazing job. He's the first person I trusted with my hair, and he's great.
The way that I help my clients maintain their brightly colored hair is I make them custom colored conditioners so you can maintain it at home.
I hope that every single person in the world wakes up knowing that the love that they receive is only the love that they put out.